So this is how it looks like after the print has been removed from the plate. A lot of the residue, glue sticker stuff, of course you can just reuse right away. However, what I figured out is if you keep those residue there for a long time or after multiple prints, the print just does not stick to the plate anymore and it causes the print to fail. A clean wash of this plate will actually help to revive the freshness of the plate and yield a better print. Once it's washed, just wipe it dry and wait for the next print. The plate cleaning work sometimes gets a bit harder when you leave a finished job untouched for too long. When the plate and the print cools down, the glue will cure, which will strengthen the bonding power to make the removal very difficult, especially when a brim layer is used. The thin, flattened first layer is really stubborn, hard to get off the plate. I tried using scrapers. It worked, but leaving a lot of scratches on the plate. Not to mention it takes a lot of efforts. The problem is becoming a headache when you have to constantly clean many of these plates. But remember, the glue is still water soluble, even after they are cured. So I tried leaving them in the water for a few hours, and the magic happened. The water simply dissolved the glue and all the residue came off only with a matter of gentle wipe.